Hello everyone. The ingredient we are going to introduce today is gorgon. Gorgon is a special food material with sweet, flat and astringent taste, and is non-toxic. It is considered a nourishing and strong food. It has the effect of invigorating the middle and replenishing qi, and also has the effect of astringency and sedation. Gorgon has a wide range of applications in food therapy. It can help treat some chronic diseases, such as chronic diarrhea, frequent urination, and related problems, such as nocturnal emission and spermatorrhea, women with excess vaginal discharge and back pain, etc. Now I want to introduce two common therapeutic prescriptions for you. The first one is for spermatorrhea, prescription for enuresis in children and frequent urination in the elderly. 15 grams of gorgon, 12 grams of golden cherry, 10 grams each of dodder and plantain. Take it after adding water and decocting. The second one is for chronic diarrhea. Gorgon fruit, lotus meat, common yam rhizome and white lentils. Take equal parts of the ingredients and grind them into fine powder. Take 30 to 60 grams each time. Add an appropriate amount of sugar and steam it to make snacks. Gorgon as a nourishing food can be used in daily life, help improve physical health. This is the introduction about gorgon. Thank you for watching.